Have you turned on your Apple TV lately and felt like something was entirely missing? You're not crazy. Your Apple TV just got a whole lot better, but it also lost a few things along the way. A brand new software update is finally here. It is called tvOS 26.4, and it is rolling out to devices right now. This is a massive update. It changes how you interact with your television every single day. There are several huge changes that make your viewing experience much smoother. Some of these changes involve classic apps being deleted forever. Others add amazing new features we have wanted for a long time. You really do not want to miss this. Let us start right on the home screen. This is where you spend most of your time. It is the gateway to all your entertainment. Go ahead and look into your app section. You might notice the grid looks a little different. Specifically, look inside that folder labeled Apple. You will notice that the number of apps has gone down. This is not a glitch. Apple has officially removed the iTunes Movies and iTunes TV Shows apps. They're completely gone. For many of us, these apps were staples of the Apple experience. They have been there since the very beginning. But the truth is, these apps have not really worked right for a while. Ever since previous updates, they felt like ghosts of the past. Now, Apple has pulled the plug completely. The icons are gone from your screen. This was not a surprise move. Apple does not usually do things without warning. They have been telling users for a long time that changes were coming. Specifically, the old iTunes Store wishlist feature was going away. Many people used that list to track movies they wanted to buy. It was a simple way to wait for a sale. Now that feature is officially dead. Their brand new solution is to use the watch list. This lives inside the main Apple TV app. However, the new watch list is not exactly the same thing. It functions differently. It mixes your saved movies with shows you are currently watching. For some users, this feels a bit cluttered. It is a big change for longtime collectors. If you still have movies or shows saved in those old iTunes apps, you need to act fast. You should move them over right now. Do this before you update your system to tvOS 26.4. You want to make sure your data is safe. This ensures all your saved items transfer over correctly so you do not lose your history or your shopping list. Next up, let us talk about a feature that makes watching content much more comfortable. This is something everyone can appreciate. This update brings a massive upgrade to your subtitles. For a long time, Apple TV subtitles were a bit basic. You could change them, but the options were buried deep in the menus. Now you have much better ways to change how they look. You can find these options very easily. Just open the Apple TV app and play a movie. When you pull up the subtitle menu, you will see something new. There's a brand new section called Styles. This is a game changer for accessibility. Click the arrow for more options. When you do, a whole new world opens up. You can see several different visual presets. They have included options like Classic, which many people love. There is also a large text option for those who struggle to see small print. You can choose outline text for a sharp look, but the coolest one is the transparent background. In the past, subtitles often had a solid black box behind them. This box could block important parts of the movie. It felt very intrusive. Now, the transparent option is becoming the most popular choice. It stays entirely out of the way. It does not block the picture. This allows you to enjoy the cinematography while still being able to read. Any streaming app that uses the standard Apple video player will have these new options. Keep in mind that some apps like Netflix use custom players, so you might not see these exact changes there. There is also a Manage Styles option at the bottom. This is for the power users. It takes you directly into your main accessibility settings. Here you can create your own custom look for your subtitles. The best part is the quick preview. You can see exactly what your changes look like before you save them. You can pick the exact color of the text and even change the background opacity. Another massive improvement in tvOS 26.4 is all about the audio. Sound is half of the experience, and Apple knows this. They are improving the TV audio format. Across the board, they're also changing how the box connects to your external speakers. This is great news for home theater enthusiasts. There is a brand new setting available if you use an HDMI connection. To find it, go under Video and Audio in your settings menu. Look for the Audio Format section. Under HDMI Output, you will see a brand new feature. This was designed to help with speaker compatibility. This is especially helpful for people who use external sound systems like Sonos. Apple says this new system uses a Dolby MAT connection. This is a technical change that has real-world benefits. It allows for a perfectly seamless transition between different audio formats. Think about when you switch from a YouTube video to a 4K movie. Sometimes there is a pop or a weird delay. This new feature aims to stop that. turn on this continuous audio connection feature to fix those glitches immediately. This update also makes life much better for sports fans. If you live in the US and love racing, listen up. Apple has made it incredibly easy to follow Formula One. Now you can see live or on-demand Formula One events right inside the Apple TV app. You no longer have to jump between different apps or search through menus to find out when the next big race starts. Everything lives in one place. It is deeply integrated into your Up Next queue. You can even ask Siri when the next race is or ask for the current standings. Now, let's talk about a secret feature. This one was not in the official patch notes. Developers dug into the code and found something big. They found new code in tvOS 26.4 that mentions video support for CarPlay. The big idea is very exciting. It suggests that you could watch your favorite Apple TV shows right on your car screen. Of course, this would only work when the car is parked. Safety is always first. But imagine waiting for a friend or sitting at a charging station and catching up on your favorite show on the dashboard. The code is there, which suggests a big CarPlay update is coming very soon. The final public release of tvOS 26.4 is also a huge relief for anyone dealing with annoying software bugs. During the beta phase, apps like Netflix and Prime Video were struggling. They were freezing and buffering constantly. Thankfully, this official release fixes all of those horrible issues. The engineers optimized the way the system handles data streams, so everything runs smoothly now. You will also notice that trailers will start playing automatically as you scroll through the Home tab. This helps you decide what to watch without clicking every single title. Finally, one of the most exciting new features is called Genius Browse. Finding something to watch usually feels like a chore. Apple wants to fix that. Genius Browse is a highly intelligent system that uses categories to help you find content based on your current mood. Think of it like a digital mood ring for your television. If you had a long day and want to laugh, it suggests upbeat comedies. If you want a thrill, it pulls together tense action movies. It understands the vibe of what you want right in that moment. In my opinion, this is one of the strongest updates Apple has ever released for the living room. The Apple TV 4K continues to be the ultimate premium streaming box. The way they polished the audio syncing and introduced mood-based browsing shows they actually listen to user frustrations. It really makes the whole ecosystem feel complete. If you found this video helpful and you want to master all your tech devices, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Share this video with a friend who owns an Apple TV and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.